Alright, I've put off the valve stem seal replacement long enough. The ever-present odor and sight of the burned oil every time I started the car cold was becoming too much. Normally I like to work on these projects myself, but I also recognize my own limits, so this time the car is going to a Toyota certified mechanic. So I've had the valve stem seals changed on the engine, and it's now cold. It's been sitting for, a couple days at least. Car's completely, engine's completely cold. So it'll just be a fresh start, cold start. But I just want to show you the difference between what the startup looks like compared to the other video where I had some old valve stem seals that were based on the mechanic's feedback, crusty and, falling apart when he took them out. So, kind of balance the phone here, and I'll start. And there we have it. One less smoky 2J on the street. See you around.